Happy Friday, year one, and welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Now, this is the 1 chili challenge and 2 chili challenge lesson. I've put it together because everybody can have a go at playing the board game. So if you've been doing the 2 chili challenge lessons, you would have been watching the White Rose videos. So you haven't seen me yet. Whereas the children that have been doing 1 chili challenge, I do their videos every day rather than the White Rose. So hi, if you haven't seen me yet, it's nice to see you, and I hope you enjoy seeing me on your videos today. So we're going to start our lesson today with a fun song, bit of a dance, a bit counting. So you need to find some space wherever you are. You don't need too much space, just a bit of space standing up so you can do a bit of dancing and moving. So I'm going to show you a song. We're going to do counting in ones, counting in twos, counting in fives and counting in tens. You might have practiced this in class. I know it's one of Eagle's favourite math songs. Now, if you have watched my videos before, you'll know that for some reason, who knows why, I need to plug my headphones in for you to be able to hear the video that I want to play you. So just bear with me one moment while I get the video up. While you're waiting, you can get yourself sorted, standing up so you can still see the screen, and make sure that volume is turned all the way up for you to hear the song. Okay.
Shall we learn about counting? Let's get the ball rolling. Let's count in ones from 1 to 20. Then back again, 20 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And back again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy. Let's count in twos, the tricky twos, from 2 to 20 and back again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We just had 2. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And back again. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. We're just taking off 2. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy. Let's count in fives in multiples of 5, from 5 to 50 and back again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We just had 5. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And back again. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. We're just taking off 5. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy. Let's count in tens from 10 to 100. And back again, 100 to 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're just adding 10. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And back again. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. We're just taking off 10. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Counting is easy, peasy, easy. Counting is easy. Counting is easy, tweezy, squeezy. Counting is easy.
Okay, I think we're back. Now you can do those videos whenever you want. If you get your grown up to Google Super Movers and then you click on Key Stage 1 and Maths, there's loads on there for you to choose from. Some might be a little bit tricky, some are more Year 2 focused, but there's plenty on there that you can watch. They get you moving, counting, dancing. Okay, let's get back to our lesson screen. I really hope that has worked. Okay, we've got a subtraction board game today. Now, let's recap the subtraction symbol. So it looks like this. And there are lots of different names for it, and they all mean the same thing. So some people might call it subtract. Some people might say minus. You might say take away. You might say fewer. Or you might say less or less than. They all mean the same thing. They all mean this symbol. I'm going to say take away for today, just so we are all on the same page. So let's have a think. When you're playing your board game, on your board game are lots of different take away number sentences. And we need to recap. How can we work out the answers? So first of all, let's have a look at 9 take away 4. We could use our hands. So let's have a go at doing 9 take away 4 to work out the answer. So show me 9 fingers and I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 take away 4 equals 5. Easy peasy. That was nice and quick. We could use our fingers to work out the answer. Good. We could use a tens frame. Now, what I've done is I've put a tens frame in your home learning pack for you with the board game. I think it comes a few pages after the board game for you to use if you want to work out the answer. I put 2 on there, 2 tens frames together to make a 20 frame because some of the questions go all the way up to 20. Now, you might want to draw on it, or you might not because you might want to keep it to use a couple of times. You might want to go and get some objects to put on it. So if you haven't got counters, don't worry, you could use things like pasta or Lego or anything that's small that you can put on each one. I'm going to draw on here just to show you so that you can see. So I've got 10, take away 6. Now, I know it's a tens frame, so I need to fill it all the way up. Now, it's quite hard for me to draw on my laptop, those of you that have been watching my videos. So I'm going to fill that all the way up. 10. You could put 10 pieces of pasta on yours. 10 pieces of Lego. Then I'm going to take away 6. So I'm going to cross out, or if you had something on there, you would take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go, 10, take away 6. My answer is 4. Well done. We could use a tens frame. Next one, 15, take away 4. Now I might think, oh, I'm going to use my fingers for this. Oh, hang on a minute, I haven't got 15 fingers. What else could I use? I could use a number line. Now I've put a number line in your home learning packs for you as well. And I was thinking you might want to take this out, cut it from the page and keep it because it could come in handy for some other maths lessons that we do. It might be quite nice for something you could keep, or you could make your own number line, either way. So I put a number line in there to help you if you want to. So we've got 15, take away 4. Now, when I am using a number line, I need to circle the number I'm starting on, or you can put your finger on it. And I'm taking away, so I'm going backwards. My numbers are getting smaller. And when I'm taking away, I jump underneath. Remember, when I'm adding, I go on top. But to remind me that it's take away, I'm going to jump underneath. So count with me. I need to do 4 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, take away 4 equals 11. Well done. So you might want to use your number line to work out the answers on your board game. Another thing you might want to use down here, there's a picture of a brain with lots of cogs. You might want to just work it out in your head. You might be quite quick at taking away in your head. You might be able to picture it and take some away. So that's fine if you want to use your head. So you've got your hands, you've got a tens frame in your pack, you've got a number line in your pack, or you might want to use your head to work it out. So let's have a look at your board game for today. So it's the Snakes and Ladders games. Get the Snakes and Ladders game. I love games like this. And you will need the board game, you will need a dice, and you will need some counters. Now, you might be thinking, oh, I haven't got a dice, can't play. Don't worry, I've put a dice in there for you. There it is. I'll come back to that, so don't worry just yet. How to play. Players take it in turns to roll the dice. The player with the highest number goes first. The person who has the second highest number goes second, and so on. So you will need someone to play this with you. So you can't play this on your own. So you might need to go and get mummy or daddy, or your brother or your sister or your granny, anybody you want to play with, but you just can't play it on your own. So put your counter on the start. You roll the dice. Let's say I've rolled the dice. I've got 4. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got to work out 9, take away 8. I can use my fingers. 9, take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1. Then it's the next player's turn. They can have a go. So you have to answer the number sentence of the square that you've landed on. If you can't answer it, you have to go all the way back, I'm afraid. Not back to the start, but back to the square that you were on before. If you land on a snake's head, you've got to go down. If you land on a ladder, you get to climb up. First person to reach the finish wins. Okay? So after your board game in your pack, you will have a dice and some counters. So you might have a board game at home already. You could go and just take the dice out of that to use. And you might have some counters you could take. If you haven't, don't worry, cut this dice out. You're going to need a grown-up to help you with this bit because it's quite tricky. You need to fold all of the little corners and the little flaps and fold it all together, glue it up to make a box, make a dice, make a cube. There's some counters there as well, but again, you could use pieces of pasta, pieces of Lego, little cars, anything you've got that are different colours or different shapes, so that you know who is who. There is 2 tens frames in there for you, and there is a number line. So everything you need is in your pack. You don't have to worry. I've put it all in there for you to make it nice and easy and nice and quick. Okay? You might want to keep this board game as well, and you can play it in a couple of weeks' time. Recap on your subtraction. So enjoy this game. Have a lovely weekend. It was nice to see everybody today for maths. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye, year 1.